Welcome. In 2026, artificial intelligence is no longer a novelty, it is a full-time coworker. Today you will discover the 7 AI tools that are quietly reshaping industries, replacing routine work, and creating massive opportunities for the people who learn to use them first. Whether you write, code, design, or manage, at least one of these tools is about to change your daily workflow. Let us start with the big picture. Nearly 40% of business tasks already involve some form of AI assistance. Teams that use AI tools daily are reporting up to 3 times faster output, and the World Economic Forum estimates that roughly 85 million jobs will transform by the end of this year. The key word is transform, not vanish. Every role touching writing, design, coding, research, or admin will feel the shift first, and that is exactly what these 7 tools target. Tool number 1, ChatGPT and Claude. These large language models can draft emails, write reports, summarize long documents, and brainstorm ideas in seconds. Marketers use them to generate ad copy variants. HR teams write job descriptions in a single click. Students get complex topics explained simply, and founders draft pitch decks before their coffee gets cold. If your job involves writing or talking to people, this is where you start. One simple tip: always review and personalize the output before sending. Tool number 2, GitHub Copilot and Cursor. These are AI pair programmers that live inside your code editor. Write a comment describing what you want, and they generate the function for you. Studies show developers finish tasks up to 55% faster with AI assistance. They catch bugs, explain unfamiliar code, and even write unit tests automatically. Junior coding tasks, repetitive boilerplate, and documentation are being handled by AI first, giving engineers more time to focus on architecture and product thinking. Tool number 3, Midjourney and DALL-E type any description, and these tools generate professional images, illustrations, product mockups, and social media visuals in under a minute. You no longer need drawing skills or a stock photo subscription. Small businesses create brand assets overnight. Content creators design thumbnails instantly. Marketing teams produce dozens of campaign variations in the time it used to take to brief one designer. The skill that matters now is learning to describe what you want clearly. Tool number 4, Synthesia and HeyGen. These platforms turn a written script into a polished video, complete with a realistic AI presenter. Paste your script, pick an avatar, choose a voice, and export a full training video or explainer in minutes. They support over 140 languages, which means you can localize content for any market without filming a single scene. Corporate trainers, online teachers, and marketing teams are saving thousands of dollars per video while scaling their reach globally. Tool number 5, Otter and Fireflies. These AI assistants quietly join your video calls, transcribe every word with speaker labels, and send you a clean summary the moment the meeting ends. They capture decisions, action items, and next steps, then push the tasks to your project tools automatically. For managers, founders, and anyone drowning in meetings, this single tool can recover 5 to 10 hours every single week. Never take manual notes in a meeting again. Tool number 6, Zapier AI and Make. These are automation platforms that connect over 7,000 apps and let AI handle the repetitive steps in between. A new lead arrives by email, AI extracts the details, adds them to your CRM, sends a personalized reply, and pings your sales rep on Slack, all with 0 human clicks. Data entry, routine admin, and copy-paste work are disappearing. Anyone who learns to build workflows is becoming the digital operations hero of their team. Tool number 7, Perplexity and Gemini. These AI search engines go beyond chatbots. They read the live web, cite every source, and deliver structured, fact-checked answers in seconds. Need to compare 3 products, understand a new regulation, or write a research brief? What used to take hours of browsing now takes one well-written question. Deep research modes even produce full reports with references, giving analysts, students, and curious professionals a serious intelligence upgrade. So how do you stay ahead instead of getting replaced? 4 simple habits. First, pick one AI tool that fits your role and practice it 30 minutes every day. Depth beats dabbling. Second, learn to write clear prompts with context, examples, and the exact format you want. Third, always verify. AI makes mistakes, so you remain the final quality check. Fourth, double down on uniquely human skills, creativity, empathy, judgment, and storytelling. Pair those with AI speed, and you become truly irreplaceable. Here is the bottom line. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI probably will. Your new job description is simple. Be the human who directs the AI, not the one it replaces. Pick one tool from today's list, open it right now, and build one small habit around it this week. That is how careers future-proof themselves in 2026. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical AI guides, and I will see you in the next video.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.